I will shoot. Come on. Boy. Come down from this car. Come down. Boy. Come down. What is it? Yahoo boy. Jesus Christ. Did you guys just bash my car?
Jesus.
What just happened right now?
Yo, this bitch just bashed my car.
How dare you? These are the walls of the car?
Waiting be
The dots. Dare you?
Sorry, ma, sir. What do you guys do for a living?
We are bad bitches.
Hey guys, it's OBIKING and welcome to another episode of my comedy reaction. So while watching this video and you enjoy it, make sure to subscribe. Give it a like, drop nice comments and share. So without saying much, let's go have some fun.
Hello, this is Mr. Shaggy reporting live from my client's land. If you are people can see, you see not me. No, you see not me standing on my client's land. Did anything happen? Did I die? Am I not a living thing? Am I not standing on the land? This is to prove to you that everything they are saying against my client is a first. It's because when they see a young boy trying to grow in the industry, buying best, buying things, they will say it's a Yahoo boy. It's a lie. You see that the land that I'm standing up? I will not say much because anything I say may be used against me in court of law. I rest my case for now. Shut up. Thank you.
Say we dey try now, we dey confess. No reason now, me no be prophet. Don't do yourself. Hey.
Hello, Jay.
Barrister, shit. Barrister, shit. Quick one, how did it go?
What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? I've already told you, pull your mouth. It's like you don't know who you pay. As I'm talking to you now, do you know they have dropped the case?
Oh my goodness.
Which
Oh
case?
my goodness.
Which case
Barrister
that dropped?
Shit. You're the greatest of all time. I knew you're the right man for this job.
Of course, I'm the right man for the job. Even Steve Jobs cannot comprehend. See, let me tell you, there's no case we don't solve.
Let's have it.
Soft briefcase, slim case, even pillowcase.
Oh my goodness. You're some pillowcase.
I want to see you.
What kind of barrister are you?
Just pray.
You know what? You've done a great job. You know what I'm saying? Send me your account number. I'm going to send you something just to appreciate you one more time.
Mr. J, you don't need to eat. Okay, no problem. I'll send you now.
A quick one, yeah? Yes. You know, now that we've won this case, okay. Let me just tell you the truth.
Okay.
You know, I buried something in that land.
You bury? Oh, wait. Okay, you mean you bury your grandma here?
Shaggy, which kind of talk with that one? I buried Juju for the ground.
God, what am I selling? You bury what?
I said I buried Juju for the ground. I go on the chat, collect small thing. But you know, say that land.
Which on the chat? No go on the chat again. No.
I go my village, collect Juju for the anybody will just put leg inside that land. Less than 10 minutes, you don't go.
In less than 10 minutes, you will die. Are you mad? Do you know I'm your liar?
Shaggy there on the land now.
They said this boy is a Yahoo.
Just send me your account number, man. I don't want no bullshit. Crazy ass attorney.
Hello.
But you don't go now. You don't stay food for the land.
Where is the crowd? I be the fucking dead lad.
Esther, why you do me like this now? Pray for me now, please.
It's not like I don't like you. I like
They're
you.
a big woman like
But the
this.
thing is, I can't be an option. I can't. If you want me, you have to break up with your girlfriend.
Esther, we don't talk about this one before now.
Yeah, I've said my own, and that's just it. I'm not talking about this again. Bye.
Hey!
I swear I
Finash!
this game.
Hey, you what she talk now? You want to break up with
Finash!
You know that's not possible now.
I know what you go do.
Serious?
Call your babe. Tell her say Edoboy won't feature for skits.
Okay.
I think this guy is a genius.
Hello, baby.
Babe, what's up?
You remember my friend, Edoboy?
Yeah.
He wants to feature you in a skit.
Wow. Wow, babe. No problem. Let me get ready.
Yeah. Love you. I'll call you.
Man. Right now, it's your turn now. You know what you do now. I've told you already now. You get. Are we good to go? Let's shoot. Let's go. Action! Cut! Nice shot. Let's go.
What is it again?
I've been begging you now. Just pray for me. Just small.
I've told you. Break up with your girlfriend and I'm all yours.
I'm broken up with her.
so fast.
Yes.
I beg you're telling me.
I have video. I have evidence. See now.
What's Skit?
It's true. People come to your girlfriend because of me.
I go lie for you.
I go lie for you.
Darling, come here.
You see, for this life, you don't go make person for my eye. You judge person.
All of them are mumu.
I have something for you.
You serious?
Don't die for me.
Hey! Oh,
Now why we be there call
oh,
him?
this big guy now. No, nothing you want them.
Turn up. He go turn up. He go turn up.
Oh, my. The big guy now, no lie.
Hi, honey. This is my
Madiba.
bestie. I don't go anywhere without him.
Apala.
Red flag.
Ibio.
I've been no police.
Benzo. Yes, young man, park. Yes. What the be this? Oga, park. You want keep police? Park. All these Yahoo boys where they worry for area. Oga, open this door, come down.
Jesus.
Sergeant, explain the call. Sir, you dey tell bike man may open door, come down from car. Na bike man be that too. Sir, na Yahoo boy, you na Benzo. Look at where na bike man want to take it. Look at where. Oh, na Benzo, na bike oh.
Good afternoon, boss.
Listen,
Come out, I lost my wallet. Very good. I don't do this business before. You don't pay.
No sense the tricks.
I dey stranded.
You dey stranded. Before you talk, I don't talk because I don't tell you say I don't do am. You know they pay. They go mainland. You don't cash for this island. You understand?
Very good. You can achieve it. You can achieve it. I said they come mainland. I beg, no best you.
all these beggars, all these people sabi beg. The formats don't cast. You don't cast. EFCC see waiting past them.
I will shoot. Talk on.
What's going on here?
Now you boy, come down from this car.
Just like that.
Come down. Yahoo boy. Jesus Christ. Did you guys just bash my car?
Jesus.
What just happened right now?
This bitch just bashed my car.
How dare you? These are the doors of the car?
Oh, no.
How dare you?
Oh, no.
Sorry, I'm sorry. What do you guys for a living?
We are
Bad bitches.
here. And in case you want to know where I got this car, I got it in Abuja, Guarimpon. P1's World Limited. They said the most affordable cars in Abuja. If you want to get yours, you can get it.
You can never.
They can't even buy one. That's why they're
Oh,
trying to extort money from luxurious living bitches like us. So
Oh,
if I get
no.
yours, you can get it from them. But you can't even afford one. So you can live now, right? I ain't got shit to
Laughing
give
in
you.
disguise.
Yeah.
Bye. See you next
Ciao,
weekend.
They really see the whole thing past them. They really see the whole thing past
This is a
them.
rubbish car. Ass up the way.
We are telling them pray for my office. Nasia.
If I see him, me.
What do you about these guys? LGB, Abi, I don't know, man, no talk.
I come out for there. Which kind of nonsense with that? Tomorrow on a video shoot. If you don't go see a Rasta, I'm gonna bring somebody where resemble him. You go carry bingo. I sing short skirt. You go bring who wear lace. Okay. Don't worry. We go use them when we do Yoruba gyration.
I didn't think when the people that have you are okay. You are crazy. Now why you do it like foundation brush? Which who do you think go by the way by the bush? See why you never blow?
You know, see as your face be like who them blow.
I be like who them. Your mama be like who them blow. Your mama be like who them blow like follow shit.
Me, I like fine girls. You want when you wear short skirts. Oh, me, I like fine girls. So fine girls like Ada Star.
What you do now?
You Shaggy and babe. So you think at my age, elderly woman like me, Christian, to be wearing short skirt and to be opening my body, you are very.
Leave her making get out. Person where we won't pay 5 million.
What do you say?
Undress yourself, now my polo where you
Oh,
anywhere you go, I go follow
They don't wear short skirts. These are not t-shirts now.
Them
They're
go
not
the
t-shirts.
waka, them go the pose. Come on to tapete,
You don't hear 5 million.
Friday, Italawa.
You don't hear 5 million. You pull out sharp sharp.
I be have to move blouse.
Hey.
You want when they wear short skirts. Oh, me I
You hear
like
5 million. You pull. What is this?
What is this?
That is the work clock now.
If I keep it, who am I?
Now wow.
Timekeeper. Yeah. 70 years old.
Timekeeper, you don't get sense. No be only timekeeper.
Wow.
Time is your greatest asset. Use it wisely. Use it wisely.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Me, my bro. Original hard glass store, right?
Yes,
yeah, one of my friends directs me and said, as I read this my new house, that this way I'm going to be picking things. Yeah. And I see that I can pick original things here. Okay. Oh, there are some good stuff here.
A Turkish boat.
Oh, it's Turkish boy.
Yes.
Oh, you look original. Atuka. Where I'm looking at this couch is looking like my future. Ah, yeah. If I stay 2 more seconds, I skip off. All right. Atuka. What is one?
Atuka.
In silver.
Sure, say you get money.
For settle. I will take 2 of them. Add it to the card. Okay.
This one no get money. Oh.
Atuka. You get it. That's okay.
So, do you have an interior designer?
No, I'm the one that want to design my interior by myself.
You have a good taste.
Oh, they do tell me that. All right. Okay, let's go and check the price. You know, it's one of the events like it's supposed to start well, so that as you are
so your bill is 2.5 million. We also have closets, we have appliances, we have handles too.
Add to cart. But I don't get money.
So that would be 6.8 million.
Hey, my brother, calm down now. What do you mean 3.5 million? What do I buy?
Added to cart, 3.5 million.
It's not gonna work, yo. What happens is that you remove those stuff from the cart.
That's 2.6 million.
Remove everything. Let's start with this one. Maybe people are selling this one. It's souvenir. And we can start with this now, then later I will come and you see those things you add to the cart. I become, who is this one? And yeah, I'm the one that rent the apartment. And what happens is that check out. I pay for 1 year. I give the guy 150K. If I tell you I'm going to bring caution. This man, he sold his apartment 1 day. Oh!
This guy don't get sense.
Imagine they say that the apartment that is 1 day.
You pay 150K a day service apartment.
What kind of life is this?
When they go, okay?
Anyway, you can show what's up.
You still collect souvenir for your hand.
Let me keep this stuff that you have
Customer. Take it easy. Oh, come on now. The chubby one, please. The chubby one.
Now, wow.
Customer, good day.
How are you?
I did fine, madam.
I'm actually running late for a meeting.
Okay.
So I don't know if it will be convenient for you to meet me up in my hotel later.
What do you mean by that?
Madam, I will fit join you now. I just one call away. I'm only one call away.
Turn to musician.
But I go enjoy me, not be lie.
Well, that's not the problem, and I'm going to pay you very well.
Okay.
Okay. Let me have your phone so I can give you my number. All right, no problem.
Hey!
Oh, did that rob me?
What's happening?
That customer just now. He thief my phone. He carry around.
Welcome to the street.
He never expected it.
See how they rubber.
Hey, Mr. Principal, excuse me. Hold on, please. What is going on in this school?
Look at my face.
You need to explain to me what's going on in this school.
Who please?
Because I brought my son here for a proper education.
Who please?
For him to become brilliant. But look at him. I can't even understand anything. He can't even speak good English. He can't even say his name. What is going on? You told me to get him glasses. That all the brilliant students in this school use his glasses. I got him glasses. But there is no changes.
Me tell you say make you buy glasses for your pikin and nothing change.
This is 1 year now. There is no changes. He can't even say his name or even pronounce a word. What is going on? You need to explain to me.
Madam, why you dey shout up and down? How you go tell me say you carry your pikin come for this school? In the 1 year, nothing change. How?
What is the changes there? No, show me. Where is the changes?
Madam, now so your pikin here been there the time where you carry and come. Now so this year dey.
Wait, hold on. You mean I'm paying school fees for my son's ear to change?
Now one after the other, at least the ear don't change. Now physical before intellectual. From the ear now you go enter brain.
You must be ashamed of yourself.
You want enter school or you don't want enter?
Son, let's go. I'm disappointed at you. I am disappointed at this useless school.
You dey set up and down. Me where wear eyeglasses, you know whether I know book. Break time, break time, break time. Let's go. Stand down, it's gonna bring some more chop.
Which kind of nonsense teacher is this? Hey God, you know, there is this, should I say, general belief that all these children, all these pupils, students that put on glasses, that they're always very brilliant. You understand? So I think that's the same thing that is happening here. Growing up, I used to think the same as well. I used to think the same. But then I started having senses. I just see myself, even in class, I'll be doing better than those people putting on glasses. That was when I realized that the high problem these people get to not be sign of intelligence. There you go. Thanks guys for sticking to the very end. I really appreciate, and I believe you enjoyed yourself. I did, you understand? So like I always say, if you watch to this very end and then you're yet to subscribe, I don't know what else you're waiting for. So make sure to subscribe. Drop nice comments. Let me know the favorite part of this video that you like the most. You understand? And you can as well check out my other videos. There's so many videos on my channel. Check them out. And see you in the next one. Peace and love.